welcome back to another video. Today is Thursday and it's raining. It's such a gloomy day outside. But I'm gonna go run some errands. Got my grocery bags. I'm gonna go to the grocery store, pick up a few little stuff. I'm off work today, so I've been relaxing. It's about almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I've been relaxing all morning, which is needed. You know, once in a while you have to do that, especially if you work like 12-hour shifts and you're working back-to-back 12-hour shifts, then you need that rest. So I'm gonna head on the road, order some lemon. I have a few stores that I want to go to. So other than Aldi, I'm gonna run to Dollar Tree. Oh, and I gotta get some gas as well. So Aldi's, Dollar Tree, maybe Walmart, and then get some gas. But like I said, it's raining and it's probably cold. It's like probably in the 50s outside today. So we'll see. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me as I run my errands today. So let's go. Okay, first stop is getting some gas. I like getting my gas from BJ's. Other than having the membership, their price is pretty reasonable for the gas. The only downside is the line. Sometimes it's so long, but it goes, it goes fast. Oh, okay, look. Today there's no line. And then once I'm done getting the gas from BJ's, and I can just drive right over to Aldi's. So I'm not one of those type of people who likes to pull up to the gas pump and my tank is on the other side, because I don't like to stretch the cord at all. So I'm definitely that person who will wait until the other pump is open, and then I go and I pull up to it where I know the tank is on that side where the pump is. And I tell you, it's a little nippy nip. I was like, this is not my kind of weather. I don't know how people have to live in the cold climate. I can't. It's not for me. I am an island girl till the day I go to heaven. This cold. It's 46 degrees out here. And it's cold. Anything below 60 degrees is cold for me. So the gas here is $2.72. So that's not too bad. So I'm just waiting for it to finish pumping, and then on to the next stop. Organic honey. I need some more. It's $5.19. Let's see how much this one is. Clover. Ingredients is honey. Okay, let's try this one. I have these cotton candy great. I'm not trying, but no, these ones don't look that good. So, some raspberries. So fine. Get a small one. These are some blackberries. Grab some of these. Oh, and let me grab some grapes. Sometimes you had to pick through and try to find some grapes that look decent enough to grab. All right, here. Here's a decent looking bag. These bag salads are really good. This is the Southwest one. I like this one. So I'm gonna get this one. So I can have like for my lunch. And I'm gonna get a bag of carrots because I picked up some blue cheese and they're a nice little snack like the carrot, celery stick. Alright, I guess I'm gonna grab a bag of cucumbers as well. And these are like good little snack things to have. Alright, I'm gonna grab some peppers. I love the colored peppers. Like cooking with these. Give your pot some color along with some flavor. So I'm gonna grab a bag of these. And I also need some green peppers. And I really like to look at my produce because sometimes they look bruised and banged up. I just want to make sure they look good. So I'm going to be a little bit particular with my produce and my veggies. Let's see what snacks to get. I just picked up a bag of these pretzels. These pretzels are good. The pub style one have a nice of a flavor, but you can't eat too much of them because they can be a little salty. What else? Guess I'll grab a bag of these. Bag of these chips as well. These are not bad. Let's see what others. Alright. Got some butter. This Irish butter thing isn't bad as well. I'll get this one instead. This one is good. I like this one too. Irish butter. Alright, I'm gonna try this Southwest guacamole. It says restaurant style. They have one that has pineapple in it, but I don't want the pineapple one. So I'm gonna see how this one tastes with the chips. So my daughter says she wants to make some cookies. So let's see. They have sugar cookie, and she likes a sugar cookie. So maybe I'll get a bag of these. And I'll do another one. My son likes the chocolate chip. So maybe we'll makes 22 cookies. So we'll do chocolate chip for my son. And then my daughter. I like these water, the sparkling water. I tried this brand the last time and it was in the blackberry. It's very good. I love sparkling water, so I'm gonna grab another one of these. And I think that's everything that I needed from all these. I don't need anything else, so just gonna head to the other store. Alright, so now I'm in Walmart. So when I was at Aldi's, they have the Panera cheddar broccoli soup for $3 something. And these are $5.77. Or I can buy a big one for $9.77. So I think I'm gonna get one of these because I do love the Panera cheddar broccoli soups. They are so delicious. I'm just checking the expiration date on this one. Okay. So I'm also gonna grab some deli meats. Alright, so I'm just gonna get some, let's see what kind of ham, if they have any ham. I don't think they do. Oh no, they have the Sara Lee honey ham. I can get that one. Just need some more ham. I have the sliced cheese at home already, so I just need some ham. Just grab some cereal for Alex. There's a certain kind that he likes. I think it's like organic. Something like that. I'm trying to remember where I saw it. Somewhere over here. Family size. They might not have it. Oh. Now I don't see it. Is it down here? So they don't have the cereal that he likes. Sometimes they'll put stuff on the top shelf, but I don't see it up there either. So, unfortunately, they don't have it. Alright, just gonna grab some crackers. Let's see. Get some Ritz, the family size, but I like the ones that are like the little individual packs because those are easier. Because then that way they can just grab it as a snack and go. I don't see. Oh, here's a bigger box. Let's see. This is a 16. Yeah, this is a 16 pack. So this one is better. So it has more in it. So I'll get one of these. Let's see. We also probably grab a box of the saltine crackers. Let's see what other stuff. What else I should say that we need. Let's keep going. We'll grab a bag of these chips as well. If there's any other chips.
Gotta be out something. Yeah, right here.
How is that? A bag of the potatoes. Maybe a bag of the waffles as well. And the rollback price too of $5. Let's see what other one. I can get maybe some Cheetos. Got some Cheetos too. Here's that. And that should be good. So these pretzels right here, oh my god, the dots, when I tell you, these are so good. I'm gonna have to grab this for myself because, delicious. Grab some orange juice. Let's see. Let's get the one with the calcium and the no pulp. Grab some of these Minute Maid juices as well. Alright, I think I got everything that I needed here. I'm gonna run to the dollar store after this. And then go home and get something to eat because I am so hungry. Oh, I said I needed to grab a bag of rice. A small bag of rice. So let me do that as well. But I can also... No. Let me just get a lot of here. And I like the jasmine rice, the Carolina one. So I'm just gonna grab a bag of this one. And okay, let's head out of here. And that's everything I needed. All right, I'm all done with Walmart. You know what freaking irks my soul? I know that some people are homeless and, you know, they're definitely in need of the money. But when I work so hard, like I said, like 12 hours back to back, and I am exhausted. And I have bills to pay, mouths to feed. It's so hard to give $1 to someone that's asking or begging some money because I don't know what they're going to do with that money. And I know I work so hard and I'm trying to provide for me and my family. I'm not saying anything is wrong. If you want to give, absolutely. But sometimes I will. But other times it's like, oh my goodness, there's so many of them out here now and you don't know if they're legitly homeless or, you know, truly in need of the money when they're asking for it. But that's just my opinion, you know. So I'm all done with Walmart. Next stop, Dollar Tree. Gonna go in there and grab some stuff. And I was watching one of the bloggers that I love watching her. And she gave me the inspiration, a little bit more inspiration, I should say, to like really, you know, start decorating for Christmas because I love Christmas. That's one of my favorite holidays. So my whole purpose of going to Dollar Tree is to get some more Christmas decorations. I have enough that I can definitely start with. Just want to get a little bit more items and then get going on that. So maybe next weekend I'll start putting up the Christmas tree and putting up some more decorations and stuff like that. So I'm gonna run to Dollar Tree now, grab those things. But whew, like I said, it's rainy, it's cold. I just want to hurry up and go back home. I'm in Dollar Tree. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Okay, it's a tape. Actually. Super hold. Yeah, it's a 2-pack. No, it's this one. Core. Maybe I could put something like this on the front door. It says Merry Christmas. This is cute. Ooh, is this thing wiping off the floor? Yeah, what's that? Not fun. Not glitter, but fun. Nope, not gonna lie. Maybe we can find something else. Ooh, look at this for snow. I can do without the snow. This one says it's the most wonderful time of the year. This one is cute. Let's see what else I can find. What other goodies they have in here? Oh, look at these stockings. Those are cute. These aren't that bad. Thinking of doing like stocking stuffers for the kids. I think I used to do it when they were younger. You know, I can get some stockings and put like some little knickknacks in there for them. So I'll see. I'll think about it. There's some really cute ornaments in here too. Look at these cute little wine glasses. Christmas cheer. Oh, I'm gonna get 2 of these. Because why not? Look at that. That is so cute. And I have these cute little glasses, the BPA free. Oh, these are plastic.
Mark a gift card transaction on her register, not mine.
Let me get 2 of these glasses. For sure. Look at these cute little hand soap. Christmas tree, a Santa, snowman, gingerbread man. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, Dollar Tree. Got some of the cutesy things. These are cute too, but again with the sparkle everywhere. Ooh, these are cute. They're so soft. Huh? Okay, I might have to get these to stuffing for the kids. Use those as stocking stuffers. These are $3. These are nice. I like these. Oh, these candles. Cranberry chutney. Delicious. What's this one? Fresh and clean. Yeah, definitely smell fresh and clean. I like that one too. And this one is mint and eucalyptus. Okay, that will be my third choice. I don't mind that one. The cranberry first, the fresh and clean, and then the eucalyptus mint. Try. What are these? What's this one? This is Oreo mocha or caramel macchiato. I'm gonna do the caramel macchiato one. International iced coffee. Try and see. They really got some cute little Christmas items in here. I think I'm gonna come back and get not this one, the full fur one. That one is cute. I like that one. And then I'm gonna just look when I come back. I'm gonna see what else I want to get. See, we got some cute little Christmas stuff in here. So I'm gonna head home because I am starving. So I gotta go eat something. Alright, so I'm heading home now. I'm all done. Got what I needed. The gas. I went to Aldi's, went to Walmart, went to Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go back to Dollar Tree because they really had some cute little Christmas items. So definitely gonna go back and grab some stuff. So when I get home, I'll do a little haul for you guys. accessories, dishwashing soap, some huge salad, honey, cucumbers. We're going to see that. Plates, carrots, cookie mix. Air freshener, I'm going to put that in the back. The cloth, the butter, the cucumber, the bag of Tostitos chips, and then the other. So that's all that I grabbed from Aldi's. You pack these away, and then I'll show you guys what I got from Walmart. Alright, so these are the stuff I got from Walmart. So it's crackers, then it needs juices. I got 4 of these. Chips, some cinnamon rolls. My younger daughter loved those. The pretzels, that's about. Carolina rice, some butter, and some more bananas. The cheddar pocket soup, deli ham, some mandarin. These are good snacks for my daughters. They love these. Alright, so these were the stuff I got from Dollar Tree. So the sign. This is so cute. I'm gonna hang this on the front door. I'm gonna try these pork and veggie dumplings. I've never tried this bread before, so hopefully they taste good. Some more hand soap. The droppings for the toilet. Bathroom cleaner, bleach. Some more of those sponges. Antibacterial hand wipes. I keep these in my car. I love those. I needed some more of this. And coffee. Hello, coffee is coffee. So this is really cute. Needed some tape. Another oven. So I came to try this iced coffee. Needed some extension cords. So I'm putting up lights outside. Christmas lights. So these are 12 feet. They feel like really thick and durable. And so yeah, these are $3. So these will be for my outside lights. Some disinfectant spray. So I go like either BJ's or Costco and do my toiletry shopping, like hand towels, toilet paper. Then I get the Lysol spray because I can get like, I think it's either 3 or 4 in a pack, and then the Lysol wipes. But for now, these are not bad. They're from Dollar Tree. And then of course, my little cutesy Christmas cheers glass. Can't wait to use these. So this is everything that I got from Dollar Tree. And that was my errands for today. So you can see they have no bag, so everything was in the box.